Hello everybody to lesson 16 of HTML5 Deep Understanding course. In this lesson we will study about the picture tag. We will know now what do we mean with this picture tag and for what it's working. First of all, we have this code. I have written it before and I have tried it. We have, first of all, we write picture, okay? Then inside the picture we write source, picture and closing tag of the picture. Then we have source, okay? And inside the source we have media, and we have max width, which is 365, which could be for small phones or for small screens, and src set is one png, type of png. Then the other one, which is different, is only the 715 pixel, which is for tablet and so on. And we have here type of image, another image, and here we have a normal text for the image. When we save this and we refresh, we could see here something. When the website is served, or when the customer served the website from the laptop or from a larger screens, it show this picture. But when he served the website from small screens like the tablet, the other picture will be shown. But when he watch or surf our website from small mobiles, he will face this picture. So this is the purpose of a picture tag. So to show different images with different size of screens. I will rewrite that field again and we will see how is it work. So we have picture, then the closing tag of the picture. Inside we have image. That image we have an image inside it. We have alt, which would be for example large image, and we have another thing which is style, with auto. Okay, it's optional. The last one, which is optional. Then we have something called source. In this source we have set rc set. The rc set we have here, for example, the one.png, and we have another thing which is the media. We have here something called the media. Yes, inside the media we have something called max. Right, max width would be the following. Max width would be 350 pixel, and the other one will be the same. When we will change the picture to number 2 and the width to 750. Let's save it and reload. What we have, the same result. Okay, so when we have a large picture, a large screen, it will show this picture. We have small or medium screen, we will show this picture. If you have small phone or small screens, it will print this small picture. So this is the purpose. It's one meaning of the responsiveness. Means when you design your page, you should care about responsiveness. We'll study that in later courses like the Bootstrap and W3 CSS. These things could help you build the responsiveness of your website. One of that thing, which is the picture, we control the responsiveness with picture and the media. Also, we could control it with CSS. We will study that later too in CSS course. It's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next lessons. Bye.